Good day, friends. I am Gopa Chakravarti here, presenting Greenhouse, Kolkata. Greenhouse is at 548 Lake Road, Kolkata, 29. And the booking number, let me announce. This is 8981070339. I repeat, please note down 8981070339. And friends, long awaited batiks. Batiks this time, Mal batiks, beautiful designer batiks I'll give you. And really I was looking for all these, waiting for all these batiks, and they're in my hand. So I thought I have displayed one sari myself. I'm wearing it to just the display. You see this is the achal of the sari. Look at this. Enjoy the color palette. And this is from our very beloved person who is making this. She's too good. I'm very fond of her work, so I thought I'll just show you some of her work. These are all on Mal cottons. Which are wearable, usable, random use them by washing this thing. You can just maintain it. Look at these batiks. Batiks from Greenhouse. This is like this. How do you find these? This is all abstract. Beautifully done up on this thing. Mal cotton e batiks দেখাচ্ছি. ভারী মিষ্টি সুন্দর বাটিক হয় আর ঘুরে ফিরে আনন্দে বেড়ান এই বাটিক পরে. So beautiful batiks. 2400 টাকা. This is the point. This is very colorful yet soothing. খুব যে loud, it is not that. Very soothing batiks. These are all going for 2400. 2400, dear friends. And all of them, एक से बढ़कर एक. सभी batiks बहुत सुंदर है, बेहद सुंदर. This is the one. Look at these. These are all with earthen colors, earthen shades. They will not become. You will never get tired of these colors. You know, they look very smart when worn. आराम से सुंदर से पहनिए. Look at these. These are so beautiful. ভালো করে পরুন এগুলো. Quite a painstaking job. And mainly they are all on their wax batiks, dear friends. All going for 2400. Lovely ones. Very beautiful. সুন্দর সুন্দর batiks দেখাচ্ছি. And there is this beauty. Look at this. So very rich. Oh, that batik is also for 2400. Look at this. They've used lot of colors to make it look vibrant. And the quality of mal. Not that you get always this kind of mal. The mal is beautiful quality mal. Lovely quality. সব সময় কিন্তু এই কোয়ালিটির মাল সব জায়গায় পাবেন না. Best quality I'm giving you. Look at this. This is the achal part. And here goes the batik. This is a very traditional one. পুজোর দিনে সকালে পরুন. দারুণ সুন্দর. ফ্যাশন করুন এইসব বাটিক্স পরে. This is the third one. Look at this. Amazing. The color is so this thing. Look at this. Batiks देखो. Look at these. How beautiful it gives you the look. Take a look. Classic color palette. Wow. আমার তো খুব ভালো লেগেছে मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है look at this when worn মানে एकदम class apart look at this these are all wax batiks you can wash and wear एकदम घर में पहनिए घर में धोइए और पहनिए the more you use the more this thing soft it becomes what a beauty all going for the same price. These are all going for 2,400, dear friends. 2,400 for all these batiks. Look at this. Look at the styling. Look at the design part. And the color, of course. These are all with extra large archel, you know, so that it covers your this portion, shoulder and all. This is the effect is like this. Look at this. So very gorgeous. And the quality का तो पूछते बच्चन. Quality तो आप लोगों को समझ आ रहा है. Best of malls I'm giving you. They weren't ready for so long. All going for 2,400, dear friends. 2,400. ভালো করে দেখুন. And this. एक से बढ़कर एक. Use cottons पहनिए आराम होगा for this weather Indian weather एकदम look at this very traditional look somewhat Alpona look they have given on this batik how about the color you must have liked the color absorbing एकदम अच्छा लगता है ये color पहनने से ही look at this so very traditional बाटिक पहनिए बंगाल का बाटिक बाहर जा रहा है look at this such a beautiful batik all for 2,400 dear friends going for all 2,400 for these pieces this is also too good but the price is controlled because we have not given so many colors in this. Look at this. Unique piece. And the same texture, same mull. Look at this. এটা দেখুন পরিষ্কার পরিচ্ছন্ন শাড়ি একেবারে very neatly done up. This has an effect. The effect is given like this. So showering batiks today from look at this ভারী আনন্দে বাটিক্স দেখাচ্ছি আমি they're all on mal cottons মলমলের শাড়ি এগুলো কিন্তু best of malmal look at these this is for 2050 this is for 2050 I have these quality also Next lot I will show you 2050 wala, and this is again the different one. Look at this. How do you like this with red? Oh, ভীষণ সুন্দর. I'm touching and I can just feel that what softness. পরে খুব আরাম. Look at this, how bright it is. দেখুন the batik work. They've created lotus. Imagination of the artist. Concept দেখুন. पहनिए and खरीदिए very माने एकदम with confidence. They're all good. They hold the color. This color will not wash out. It holds the color. It retains the color. Look at this. How beautiful. And the softness, the texture. This is for 2600, dear friends. 2600 again. 2600. And now I'll show you all my cottons, handloom cottons embroidered sarees. Handloom cotton embroidered sarees. Total hand embroidery cottons. All from our state. Look at this. Total handwork on a Dhonekhali cotton. Look at this. The huge, the volume. The first 2.5 meters, which is showing, actually, this is the important part. This is a very classic piece. We keep making this design, but every time we make, it's really a very demand. There's always a demand for these sarees. And the second half is simpler, but otherwise it will look very bulky and cumbersome. This is like this. You know, when you wear it, it becomes very nice. I will just pleat the saree and show you. Just a minute. One saree I will just unfold and show you. Just a minute. একটা দেখাই ভালো করে. Actually আপনারা इतना दूर से आप लोग देखते हो, मन करता है जरा अच्छी तरह दिखा दें. This is the part which is getting in pleats. This is the part which is getting in pleats. This is the one. It is like this. And you know, it's like this. You tuck it inside. When you tuck it inside and brings, this comes in front, this portion. So it will cover the body of your, this thing. It will cover the body. It gives you this type of effect. More like this. More or less like this. This is the one. This is costing 4,800, dear. 4,800 for this saree. On a pure handloom cotton. 4,800 for this saree. And the second one, which is already, I have given you so many colors in this, and these are the two colors which are again been with me. Just a minute, look at this. This is on half tussar. Half tussar shari dekhun. This is on a half tussar. Prochur kaj. There are 4 paisleys being worked out there, and there's a slant. The first half of the saree, which is actually this is the principal part. This is the main thing which gives the look of the saree. This is the one. And the second half runs like this. But these are all needlework done. সমস্ত কিন্তু ছুঁচের কাজ, ধরে ধরে কাজ করতে হবে, because the lot of work. Look at the stretch of the Katha embroidery. Let me, this is on half tussar. Half tussar is a very comfortable item. Warp and weft এ একটা তসর থাকে আর একটা cotton thread. And they need not be ironed all the time. যে পরার সময় ironing করে পরতে হয়. They are very comfortable ones. Once or two wear, it stands. দেখুন কি সুন্দর. With the blouse piece. This is like this. We don't have a blouse piece with this, na? We have. Achha, it has fallen down. Anyway, chapa pode geche. Oh, this is the one. This is the one with the blouse piece. And look at the thousands booties. Booties dekhun ki sundor bhabe toiri kora hoyeche egulo. It's a very rich sari. 6,800, please. 6,800. And this is the second one, which is with me. In different colors, we are making this lot of demand. This is also design which is repeated, and we are making these designs. গত বছরও করেছিলাম এই ডিজাইনগুলো. This time again it has come. This is the one. This is the mustard and black combination. Very decent, you know. পরলেই ভালো লাগবে. What a class. What a class. This is apart from any this thing. ঝাকঝাকওয়ালা. Look at this. How nice it will look. ভীষণ সুন্দর লাগবে. দেখুন এগুলো. And this is the second half of the sari, runs like this. Half tussar. Half tussar e kantha embroidery along with herringbone and lot of kanthas. These all are made, they're all run stitches. So these are all half tussars. Both of them were half tussars. Half tussars this time from Greenhouse. Acha, one more I'll show you in cotton. They're all Dhonekhali cotton. They are not Powerloom products. একেবারে ধনেখালির সুন্দর সুন্দর কালারের pretty colors. We have selected the colors and made things like this. Look at this. These are all Kutch embroidered saris. Kutch embroidery done up. Look at this. How stylish. Kutch embroidery গুলো দেখুন, পরিষ্কার কাজ. And both the sides, there's a border. একেবারে uniform stretch border. And it is with without this thing. Na? We haven't given blouse, no? There's no blouse piece for this. You have to take out something from your wardrobe and use it. Mix match, mix match. This is like this. And this is priced 3,900, dear. 3,900 for this sari. 3,900 for this sari. Meena, hold it. And then what else? Oh, this is a beautiful one. Beautiful one. It's coming now. Look at this. All but on cottons. I've given everything in cottons till now. সমস্ত কিন্তু কটনে, কিন্তু কটনের বাহার দেখুন. Look at this. Look at this cotton. None of the colors will bleed. None of the colors will bleed. They'll all hold the color. There will be very good quality thread used for all this thing. All needlework, Kutch embroidered work on this type of Dhonekhali cotton. This is the one. It's like this. Very traditional, but I am fond of these saris, so are my friends, I'm sure. Look at this. 4800 dear, 4800 for this piece. कैसे लग रहा है? बहुत खूबसूरत है, बहुत सुंदर साड़ी. 4800 only for this. 4800 for this. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is the blouse piece with the sari. This is the blouse piece. 4800 dear friends. And here comes the black and white. Look at this. কি সুন্দর শাড়িগুলো. Look at this. Look at this. The workmanship, how neatly it has been done. The Kutch embroidery throughout the sari, throughout. Look at this, and what a fine textured cotton. These are all handloom cottons. Look at this. How classy it is. Bhishon Shundar. Look at this. This is 4900 dear friends. 4900s. We've provided more booties in this. 4900 for this. Yes, let me take out this and show you. I've got again a woman artist. She's been developing all these for me. এটাও দেখুন, এটা ভীষণ সুন্দর হয়েছে. She doesn't like to work on cottons because it's a very expensive drawing, painting she does. But I pleaded her to do this. Look at this. It's an orchid, I think. An orchid or and some little, her imagination. But beautiful with dual border Dhoni Khali cotton. Look at this. How classic it'll look when you wear it. So beautiful when you wear it. Pure dekhun shadita. Look at this. Enjoy the painting. This is actually done on tassels and kurtis one side. We do take up assignment work also. It's like this. And on dupattas also, sometimes it looks very nice. This is what she's done for me. This is the one. Very dressy one. And it will fall on the yoke. This falls on the yoke. It's like this. A cotton sari is beautified with hand painting. Cottons galore. কত রকম cottons দেখাচ্ছি আমি আজকে. This is for 3200 because of the painting. It's of high quality painting. 3200 dear friends for this. 3200 for this. It's a high quality painting. What else? What is happening? Oh. Yeah, let me take out one of this and show you. This is one more. Arekta dekhun, etao dual border. There's all Dhoni Khali cottons with lovely designing. They're all woven and hand woven saris. Hand painted, hand woven. Greenhouse will always indulge in paintings, all handwork saris. So we develop something or other on this basic fabrics, basic material. This is the cotton. How do you find this? It's a beautiful one. This is the whole lot with bordered on both sides. Border on both sides. Simple things, simple strokes, simpler strokes. The first one was 3,200 and this is costing you 2,400. 2,400. 2,400. But অনেক মানে ধৈর্য, patience to fill up the whole sari with this. They're all hand painting. একটাও কিছু এদিক ওদিক হয়ে গেলেই তো it is gone. So there's a lot of patience, the perseverance, patience. What quality these artists have. I bow down my head. আমি তো দেখাচ্ছি, আমি তো নিমিত্ত মাত্র। যারা করেছেন তারা সত্যি unique. God gifted there. Look at this. This I'll be taking. This is 2,400. 2,400 for this piece. 2,400 for this piece. Yes, this is the one. আরেকটা দেখিয়ে দিই। Cottons and cottons. Only cottons I've given you so far. But I think you have enjoyed the show. I think so. Let me have your comments. Look at this cotton. This is the one. This is the one. This is the Madhubani art, you know. A person from a place, which is the place, Bardhaman district. He has developed this. Smart chap. He made this diligently. How do you find this? But this is a painstaking, this thing, look at this, the volume of work, the volume speaks of, look at this. This also covers till the waist, the front portion and the lower down. So many of the motifs have been created with Madhubani painting. This is priced 3,200 again. 3,200 for this on handloom cotton. And my silks are waiting. The batiks we've got from an artist. Look at this. This is also Alpona batik on Bangalore silk. Very creative he is. এগুলো দেখুন. Look at this. Black and white. দেখা যাচ্ছে? How do I spread it? Shall I do it like this? এইভাবে? These are all wax batiks, my dear friends. There's a process in tie and dye. And they've left the crack inside and the whole border looks like this. প্রচুর কাজ. Look at this. Very classic. Preserve your traditional, preserve your heritage, traditional look ta to. Look at this. The effect is like this, and we have given the blouse piece. They have given, actually my artist, this is the blouse piece with the sari. And this we are taking 7,600 for this on Bangalore silk, my dear friends. They're all on Bangalore silk. 7,600 on Bangalore silk. This is the one. Look at this. It's again a beauty. Flawless drawing. প্রচুর সুন্দর কাজ. This is the one. This is on Bangalore silk. And enjoy this sari. Take away from me and maze se pehniye. There'll be nothing to regret about these pieces. No regrets. Take these. What a classic piece. value these artists. এরা এত ভালো কাজ করছে। Look at this. And that's all for today, my friends. And we want a safer place for women, and we want justice, whatever it has happened in Kolkata, for the doctor who has given her life. So thank you, friends. Love you all.